Stainless steel 500 litre maximum working capacity ribbon blender, including mobile wheels, heavy duty, pneumatic discharge flap with 750 millimeters working height as standard. Controls include a timer that will operate between 1 second and 24 hours. Go button, it stops automatically. Discharge flap, operation control. Safety isolator switch for the lid. Bag rest support for standard to enable easy rip and tip filling of the blender. Easy removing for cleaning. Inner and outer counter-angled ribbons for fast, efficient mixing. All stainless steel. 7.5 kilowatt motor with high torque gearbox. Other configurations available.